Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you love projects built entirely by human hands, appreciate the quiet atmosphere of deep forests, and want to witness every step of turning raw timber into a finished home, then today's video is made just for you. In this video, we follow one single man, 35 years old, working completely alone deep in a pine forest. No modern machinery, no support crew, no distracting jump cuts. Just one person, traditional hand tools, and a single goal: to build a full-size wooden house from absolute zero. From the very first scenes, the video feels extremely authentic. There is no dramatic background music, no unnecessary narration, only the sound of footsteps on forest soil, wood meeting wood, and the steady rhythm of focused labor. This atmosphere naturally pulls the viewer in, making you feel as if you're standing right there in the forest alongside him. One of the video's greatest strengths is its consistency and continuity. The character never changes. The clothing remains the same. The environment is stable and logical. Every action has a clear purpose and result, from selecting the building site, preparing the ground, and measuring by hand, to processing pine logs. Everything follows a clear, understandable sequence. When the video reaches the woodworking stage, its true value becomes clear. Traditional joinery craftsmanship. The builder uses handsaws, hand planes, chisels, wooden rulers, and string lines to create precise joints. There are no excessive industrial nails, no power cutting tools. Every joint fits together through patience, experience, and skill. What keeps viewers watching is not artificial drama, but visible progress in every scene. Each segment shows the house moving forward one real step. A log is shaped, a joint is completed, a row of posts stands upright. This genuine sense of construction makes viewers naturally curious about what comes next. Lighting is another major strength. Natural, slightly overcast forest light creates a calm, realistic tone. Nothing is overexposed or overly saturated. The natural colors of wood, soil, and workwear remain true, reinforcing the grounded, hard-working mood of the project. As the structure begins to rise, the video enters one of its most satisfying phases, the moment the frame stands up from the ground. This is when all previous effort becomes visible in physical form. It's a deeply rewarding moment that makes it difficult for viewers to stop watching, even with a long runtime. What's especially impressive is that the video never feels repetitive. Although it's the same person, the same forest, and the same clothing, the work itself evolves continuously with the building stages. This variation keeps the pacing engaging and significantly improves audience retention. Overall, this is more than just a house-building video. It's a complete journey of craftsmanship and perseverance. It communicates self-reliance, patience, and the beauty of traditional manual labor in a modern world. Even viewers with no construction background can appreciate the effort behind every step. If you're looking for a video that is relaxing, educational, and genuinely rewarding from start to finish, this is absolutely one worth watching all the way through, and even rewatching. And if you enjoy realistic, no-nonsense building videos that focus on skill and process like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss future builds. Thank you for watching until the end, and we'll see you in the next video. Nếu bạn muốn